What's up, YouTube? This is Mexican Sneakerhead camping out for the Foamposite Weathermans right here. Well, we're gonna be camping right now. We are on the clock right now on Foot Locker, 35 seconds left, and I'm on Nike Twitter on the side, trying to get the shoe. Let's see what happens over here with Foot Locker, and then we go transfer all the way to Twitter. I heard with Foot Locker you gotta be refreshing it so it could go by faster. That's what I heard. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna try it. All right, we got 13 seconds left. Let's get this Foamposite Weatherman. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Add a cart. Oh, yeah, already. Oh, fuck this shit. Gotta wait for the Twitter link now. Let's go with the Twitter link. Whoa. I should like that. This shit. What the fuck is that? Can't even click my size. What the hell? What the hell? What is this? Nike store crash or some shit? What the hell? That guy saw that? Look, what is this? Can't even add a shoe. What the hell? What kind of website is this? Where's the fucking add a cart? What? Oh wow, like this shit crash. Look at this, crash. It's gone. What the hell? Well, the Foamposites Weathermans, I think they crashed the website of the Nike store. That's crazy. That's very crazy, man. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here because I didn't get shit. Well, yeah, look, I keep pressing the link and it's keep like crashing. I don't know why, but yeah, this has been the Mexican Sneakerhead. You saw it here on Mexican Sneakerhead channel right here. We Nike Store crashed the Weatherman Foamposite release. Oh man, look at this. What is this? This don't be happening. Well, yeah, let's keep subscribing to me. I hope y'all make my channel grow. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.